Most people think feeling tired, thirsty, or craving sugar all the time is normal. But what if it's not normal? What if your body isn't just low on energy? What if your blood sugar has been rising quietly for months, maybe even years? Here's the scary part. High blood sugar doesn't usually hit you suddenly. It builds silently, and your body whispers before it screams. Today, I'm going to show you 7 early signs your blood sugar may be higher than normal. Signs most people ignore until real damage begins. Make sure you stay until number 5, because it's one of the most overlooked and visible warning signs. We live in a time where sugar is everywhere. In your coffee, in your healthy yogurt, in bread, sauces, snacks, even salad dressings. And every time you eat refined carbs or added sugar, your blood glucose rises. That's normal. But when it rises too often and stays high, your body starts struggling to keep up. Insulin works harder, your cells become less responsive, and over time, insulin resistance begins. The problem? This process can go on quietly for years before a diagnosis like prediabetes or diabetes appears. So let's talk about the early whispers. Sign number 1. Constant thirst. Not just mild thirst. We are talking about drinking water and still feeling dry. Here's what's happened internally. When glucose builds up in your bloodstream, your kidneys step in to remove the excess. But sugar doesn't leave alone. It pulls water with it. That leads to fluid loss. And your brain responds with one simple message: drink more. If you constantly feel dry mouth or find yourself reaching for water more often than usual, your body may be trying to dilute elevated blood sugar. And if this thirst feels new or persistent, don't ignore it. Sign number 2. Frequent urination. Now here's the second half of that equation. If you are urinating more often, especially waking up at night, this could be connected. High blood sugar overwhelms your kidneys. When they can't reabsorb all the glucose, it spills into your urine. And where sugar goes, water flows. More urination, more dehydration, more thirst. It becomes a cycle. Many people blame aging or hydration habits, but sometimes it's metabolic. Sign number 3. Persistent fatigue. This one confuses almost everyone. How can I feel tired if I have so much sugar in my blood? Because sugar in your bloodstream doesn't automatically mean usable energy. Insulin is the hormone that unlocks your cells and lets glucose in. But when insulin resistance develops, that key doesn't work efficiently. So, glucose stays stuck in the blood instead of fueling your cells. The result? You feel sluggish, mentally foggy, drained, even after a full night's sleep. It's like having a full tank of gas, but the fuel line is blocked. Sign number 4. Increased hunger and sugar cravings. Have you ever eaten a full meal and felt hungry again soon after? That's not always about willpower. When glucose doesn't properly enter your cells, your brain thinks you are starving. So, it sends stronger hunger signals. And what does your body crave when it wants quick energy? Sugar, refined carbs, fast fuel. Unfortunately, that creates another spike in blood sugar, which leads to another crash. And the cycle repeats. Over time, this roller coaster stresses your entire metabolic system. Sign number 5. Dark patches of skin. This is one of the most overlooked signs because people don't connect it to blood sugar. Dark, velvety patches of skin, often around the neck, underarms, elbows, or knuckles, can be linked to insulin resistance. The medical term is acanthosis nigricans. When insulin levels stay elevated for long periods, it stimulates skin cells to grow faster and thicken. And this visible change can appear before blood sugar numbers become dangerously high. Your skin sometimes reveals what your blood tests haven't yet. If you have noticed this change, it's worth discussing with a healthcare professional. Sign number 6. Blurry vision. High blood sugar can temporarily affect your eyesight. When glucose levels rise, fluid shifts into the lens of your eye. That slight swelling changes how light focuses. Vision may blur, then improve later when levels stabilize. It may seem random, but fluctuating blood sugar is often behind it. If this happens frequently, don't miss it. Sign number 7. Tingling, numbness, or slow healing. Over time, elevated blood sugar can begin affecting nerves or small blood vessels. You may notice tingling in your hands or feet, mild numbness, small cuts taking longer to heal. Excess glucose can damage delicate nerve fibers and reduce circulation. This doesn't happen overnight, but it often begins subtly, and catching it early can make a massive difference. Here's the truth. High blood sugar rarely arrives dramatically. It builds quietly, with thirst, fatigue, cravings, skin changes, vision shifts. Your body speaks in whispers before it screams. If you recognize even 2 or 3 of these signs, take it seriously. Not with fear, with awareness. Because the earlier you respond through balanced nutrition, movement, sleep, and medical guidance, the easier it is to protect your long-term health. Your metabolism is incredibly adaptable, but it works best when you listen. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you understand your body better, subscribe to Care You, because the more you understand your body, the better you can protect it.